All right, intermediate algebra students, number of the third video here, solutions of systems of inequality. So you probably remember in the first one, I can't remember, first or second one, you had to plug in this coordinate point into a solution or into an inequality and see, did it work? Well, you're doing the same thing, only you're plugging it into both inequalities. And in order for it to work, it has to, yes, work in this one, but it also has to work in this one. If either one of them does not work, then it's not a valid solution. So we're going to plug in 1 for x. 9 times 1 is 9. We're going to plug in -2 for y. -2 times 4 is -8. 9 plus -8 is 1. Is 1 less than 8? Yeah, it is. Yep, so we're good there. Now we're going to plug 1 in for x. 1 times -3 is -3. Then we're going to plug in -2 for y. -7 times -2 is +14. -3 plus 14 is 11. Is 11 greater than or equal to 5? Yes, it is. Because it was a yes in both situations, our answer is yes. If either one of those had been a no, or both of them had been no, then it would be no. All right, so that's how you do it if it's an algebraic type thing. Here's how you do it if it's a graph type thing. Same type thing, we've got to see is this coordinate point right here a solution to both. I want you to see something. Anything down in this area, no, is not a solution. Anything in this blue shaded region right here satisfies this inequality, but does not satisfy this one. So this area here is also a no, as is this little green area right up here. This is a no area as well because it satisfies one but not both. The only area that satisfies both is this dark green area all the way up in here. So this area up here is a yes situation. So when we go to 3, -1, 1, 2, 3, down 1, that is where the dot is. Okay, now I want you to look at this. We said in the last video that because it was on this solid line, yes, it worked. And for this inequality line right here, that dot does work. So for this one, it's a yes. However, for this blue dash line, the dash line means it does not work on that line. Anything to the side of it works, but the line itself does not work. So a dash line means no, it doesn't work at that point. Because of that, and because it's on the dash line, this one does not work for this one. And again, if it doesn't work for one or the other or both, then the answer is no. So that's how you do that one. Good luck to you guys. Bye-bye.